All right, so what's your biggest success story?
Actually, I've got a couple, and I'll just give you two real quick. I worked with a husband and wife team that had a startup business in home improvement, and they had gotten to a point where they were making enough money, but it wasn't enough to cover the bills, and both of them were working around the clock, and they were married at home, but they were working together in the business, and it was just not working. And I mean, it was going to crash at some point. And so they brought me, with a lot of stress.
Yeah.
They brought me in. We started going through this process of understanding what the issues were, what their roles and responsibilities were, how they could work together. And not only were they able to create a business entity where she had a role, he had a role, and they respected each other's decision making within those roles so they could work together. That was 5 years ago. They went from less than $500,000 during that time when I came with them. They just celebrated their 5th year anniversary, topping $4 million.
Wow.
$4 million.
Yeah.
Not only that, but they started a family. And they, at the very beginning, they never thought that was ever going to happen because they were just
There's
in the
not
business.
enough room between the business and...
Well, not only that, but you know, you're partners for 18 hours a day. You go home, you're husband and wife, but nothing changes. And that was really a problem. And so getting them to the point where they could separate those lives and live with each other on both sides of the fence was huge.
Yeah, yeah. And
So,
wow, $4 million is pretty significant.
Pretty significant,
Yeah.
and they're a very well-respected company within the home improvement service that they provide. So that was on the kind of the business side of the fence. On the executive side of the fence, a year ago I had a gentleman come to me, and he oversees a technology division of a large educational institute. And you know, his department was in disarray. The rest of the institution really had devalued what he was doing completely, and he was kind of in fear of whether he would be there much longer or not. So we went through the process, and we started laying out, you know, what he needed to do and what he had to tackle first, and how one would build on another. And he got to the point where he not only fixed his department, you know, he had to replace a few people along the way, which happens.
It happens. That's part of being a business owner or,
That's right.
or an executive.
He had to make those tough calls. But he started to bring the rest of the organization back into the fold of what he was there to do and what he was not there to do. So there was better alignment between what he was there to serve them on. And he got to the point where they served him up for a VP title at the end of the year.
So how long did you work with him? It was a him, I'm guessing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Worked with him for 8-9 months.
8-9 months. In the beginning, he's like, I'm not certain I'm even going to have a job. And in 9 months, he's
moving up the ranks.
Yeah, so that's giant. That's huge.
That's huge,
and it happened pretty quick. I mean, most people don't think it can happen that fast.
No, and sometimes it doesn't. But really, what I look at is how long did it take you to get to the spot we started at? You know, if your way of doing things, your behavior patterns, your rituals have been really dug in over 10, 15, 20 years, it may take a year or more to turn the corner. And
well, you
get
spent 20 years in the other model, right?
Right.
1 year doesn't seem like a whole heck of a lot.
No, it's not.
From
In the
an
grand scheme
investment
of things,
standpoint.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And that's the biggest challenge with being in this industry, and I'm sure you probably have run into this as well. On the back side, people think it's a great investment. Up front, it's very difficult to see that.
Oh yeah, because there's a lot. I mean, it's not easy. It's a lot of work and effort. But being a business owner isn't easy. It's not for the faint of heart, right?
No.
If it was easy, everybody would do it.
Right.
So this is part of the package, and you have to figure out how to do it. You have to create solutions. Otherwise, you just kind of beat your head against the wall and eventually throw in the towel or
Right.
You know.